Good morning, Perfect Storm Trading. Back again. It is Thursday, March 25th, 2021, 6:45 a.m. What I want to do in this video is give a quick recap of where we left off yesterday. I want to show you how combining some of our trend information along with our timing, especially the pH indicator, both method 1, method 2, can help you to identify some trade setups with some trend direction. So as you can see, I've got the pH chart from yesterday. Now what I've done, I've marked some overnight highs and lows and projected them forward with method 1. So in this case, this high is connected to this high. So we're looking at is the red and purple period here around 2136. We look for that same period going forward in the trading day, and that projects to this area here, right inside our green high-low window, where we are looking for a new high or low. Well, what happened in this case, we had a nice upswing into that time frame, which set us up for a short. So we're looking to reverse off of that and go to a new low, lower than the prior low over here, which is what we got. The next point here was this low connected to this high. So this low here at 2230, you can see I have these lines marked over to the vertical line. And that went up to this high. That was the yellow period with the dark blue. That also coincided with our double moon aspect, which I showed you on yesterday's video. That reversed the trend, started it down. That was also in a white-black timing window period where we expect a new high or low, where we traded right up to the new high, and then the trend went down from there. Then this last period here, this low, which was in the purple segment, connected to this low, which was right in the beginning of the green timing box, and you can see we flipped the trend to up right there. So that set up that nice long trade, and then our very next signal triggered right into that short. And the last 2 points, what happened yesterday, we had a green high-low window, and then right next to that we had a white high-low window, and we had two method 2 triggers right in there. One of them triggered off of this high area here, sent us short. The second one, the signal was a little early. In this particular case, we're looking for new lows in the downtrend, so we'd only take a short off this trigger. The actual trigger here, the red bar, was 1 bar early, but it ended up being a good trade right into the close. Now let me get you a look at those trend blocks just so you can see where that is coming from. I should mention the prior chart was the micro NQ, and now we're looking at a regular ESE mini 4-minute chart. The ES didn't break when the NASDAQ broke yesterday. It took some time to catch up, but it did eventually break and follow the suit of the pattern that we're looking at here. So when I mentioned the bright green block on the last chart and then the white block, I'm talking about this green block right here where I have my cursor, bright lime green, and then the white block after that. If you remember from the prior video, we concentrate on A2 and B1 for these trends and for these periods of highs and lows. So you can see in this bright green block, which I marked that timing area down with that rectangle, we had a slight overlap, but we got a new high and a new low on the NASDAQ and the ES in that window. And then when we went into the white timing window, we were either going to make a new low or high in there. Well, what happened? You saw the trade triggers from the prior chart. We got short here and we were expecting a new low. Then we got a secondary chance at that right here. And that went right down to the close. And then you can see we've been somewhat flat overnight, tracking between about a 15-point range. So there we have it. That's it for today. And then we'll be back tomorrow with another topic for Friday. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.